App Inventor is a no-code app development platform created by MIT University. It has been created using Google's programming language called Blockly. I believe after Android Studio, App Inventor 2 is the best platform to create Android apps, and in this video, I will explain why am I so confident that it is the best platform. To understand its importance, you have to first understand how programming works. In order to perform different operations on your computer, you need to learn programming languages like Java, C++, or Python. It may take a long time to learn these languages and to use them efficiently. In order to write a program, you should have knowledge about different keywords, operators, and other programming elements. Apart from that, you should avoid typing mistakes known as syntax errors and arrange the program in a proper sequence to be executable. If any of these mistakes exist in the program, then it cannot be executed on your computer, and as a result, you have to spend a lot of time finding and fixing those errors. However, in App Inventor, there is no chance for such errors to exist because here we use graphical blocks instead of typing the programming statements. Blocks are very simple to understand. They look like pieces of puzzle and you have to just snap two blocks to create a programming statement. App Inventor has a simple interface which makes it easy to understand unlike the Android Studio. Moreover, IDEs, that is integrated development environment, like Android Studio, are very difficult to set up, whereas App Inventor does not require any setup. You have to just go to their website, log in with your Google account, and start creating a project. It is a cloud-based web app which stores your projects in the cloud database and allows you to access your projects on different devices. Advantages of App Inventor over other no-code app development platforms. Unlike other no-code app development platforms, App Inventor allows us to create apps from scratch. Moreover, you have the ability to design the user experience. You also have control over each and every component, which may not be available in any other no-code app development platforms. You can also use other services like Google Translate API, Microsoft Emotion Recognizer, through a web API component. You have got variables, lists, and much more. In a single sentence, App Inventor is a no code app development platform with the flexibility close to Android Studio.